most hated quality to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is a person who always has to snap back, always has a response, always has a retort. That is a person who's not going to be able to grasp the truth. They will destroy their relationship with Allah, and they'll destroy their relationship with the people as well. Let it go. All of this constant emphasis within the Sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ, Man taraka al-mira'a wa in kana muhiqqan. Allah guarantees you a place, a special place in Jannah, where you leave off in an argument, even though you have the truth on your side. Okay, how many times do you get into a fight, an argument, maybe with your spouse, and you've got to have the last word? It's okay, be wrong this time, it's alright, let it go. But a person who is khasim, a person who's constantly trying to argue, never knows when to put a pause on it. And that can have a spiritual element in it as well, because they always have to be right. The most